simple home exercises to fix lower back pain. The pain that sneaks up on you. You wake up in the morning, ready to take on the day. But as you sit up, that familiar ache hits your lower back again. You try to stretch it out, maybe twist a little, hoping it goes away. By the time you sit at your desk or in your car, it's there, that dull, nagging pain that follows you everywhere. It's like a small reminder whispering, "You've ignored me for too long." And you think, why? I didn't lift anything heavy. I didn't fall. So why does my back hurt so much? Most lower back pain doesn't start with one big event. It starts with small habits repeated daily. Sitting too long, poor posture, weak core muscles, no stretching, and a little bit of stress. And before you realize it, your body begins to stiffen. Your spine starts losing flexibility, and the muscles that once supported your back slowly start giving up. But here's the good news. You can reverse it. Without pills, without expensive equipment, without a gym. Just a few simple home exercises, done consistently, can bring your back to life again. So if you're tired of that constant stiffness, if you want to move freely again, stay till the end, because today I'll show you the easiest, most effective home exercises that'll help you fix your lower back pain. Naturally. Why your back really hurts, and it's not what you think. Before we jump into exercises, you need to understand something important. Pain isn't your enemy. It's your body's alarm system. When your lower back hurts, your body isn't broken. It's warning you. It's saying, "Hey, something's off. Fix your habits before I give up." Now, most people make one mistake. They think rest will fix back pain. So they stop moving, avoid exercise, lie on the couch. But that's the worst thing you can do, because your back muscles need movement to stay healthy. When you stop moving, they weaken even more. And a weak back can't support your spine. It's like having a tall building with no strong pillars. One small shake, and it collapses. Now, here are the 3 biggest reasons your lower back hurts. 1. Weak core muscles. Your core isn't just your abs. It is a group of deep muscles that stabilize your spine. When they're weak, your lower back carries all the weight. That leads to strain, fatigue, and eventually, pain. 2. Tight hip flexors and hamstrings. Sitting for long hours shortens these muscles, and when they tighten, they pull your pelvis forward, creating that arched lower back that stresses your spine. 3. Poor posture. Leaning forward at your desk, slouching on the couch, or even standing unevenly. These small habits slowly misalign your spine and build tension in your lower back. You have to retrain your body. Stretch what's tight, strengthen what's weak, and move in ways your spine loves. And that's exactly what we'll do next. Simple home exercises to fix lower back pain. You don't need a gym. You don't need fancy gear. All you need is a floor, a mat, and 10 to 15 minutes a day. These are safe, effective, and beginner-friendly. But consistency is everything, so make this your daily ritual. 1. Cat-cow stretch, spine mobility, and warm-up. Start on your hands and knees, like a tabletop. Inhale deeply as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone up. This is cow. Exhale slowly as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest. This is cat. Repeat this 10-15 times. This stretch warms up your spine, improves flexibility, and increases blood flow to your back muscles. Tip: move slowly. Feel every vertebra move. Don't rush. 2. Pelvic tilt, core and back activation. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands on your hips. Now, flatten your lower back against the floor by tilting your pelvis backward. Hold for 3 seconds, then release. Repeat 10-15 times. This teaches your body how to stabilize your spine properly, and it strengthens those deep core muscles that protect your lower back. 3. Knee to chest stretch. Lie flat on your back. Pull one knee toward your chest, hold for 15 to 20 seconds. Then switch sides. You'll feel your lower back relax and lengthen. This stretch helps release tension from the lumbar spine and hips. Do 3 rounds per side. 4. Child's pose, relaxation stretch. Kneel on the floor, sit your hips back onto your heels, and stretch your arms forward. Let your chest sink toward the floor. Breathe deeply. This position stretches your spine, glutes, and shoulders, releasing pressure from your lower back. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. You can do this anytime your back feels stiff. 5. Bridge pose, strength and stability. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Push through your heels and lift your hips slowly, forming a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then lower down. Do 10-15 reps. This move strengthens your glutes and core, the key muscles that support your lower back. Important: squeeze your glutes at the top, not your lower back. 6. Seated spinal twist. Sit tall with legs extended. Cross one leg over the other. Place your opposite elbow on your knee and gently twist your torso. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, then switch sides. This exercise increases spinal mobility and relieves tension built up from sitting long hours. 7. Cobra stretch. Lie face down, hands under shoulders. Push your upper body up while keeping your hips on the floor. Feel the stretch in your abdomen and lower back. Hold for 10-15 seconds. Repeat 5 times. This pose strengthens your spine, opens your chest, and improves posture. 8. Standing hamstring stretch. Stand tall. Place one foot slightly forward, heel on the floor, toes up. Hinge forward from your hips and feel a stretch behind your thigh. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds. Switch sides. Tight hamstrings are one of the biggest causes of lower back tension, so stretch them daily. Here's your daily back care routine: 10 minutes. Cat-cow, 10 reps. Pelvic tilt, 10 reps, knee to chest. 2 rounds, bridge pose, 10 reps. Cobra stretch, 5 reps. Child's pose, 1 minute spinal twist, 20 sec each side. Hamstring stretch, 20 sec each side. Repeat this every morning or before bed. And within 10-14 days, you'll start noticing a major difference in how your back feels. Your body isn't your enemy. It's your best friend. It's been carrying you for years, through stress, long days, sleepless nights, and every challenge you've faced. Now it's asking for just a few minutes of your care in return. Pain isn't permanent, but your habits decide whether it stays or goes. So don't wait for it to heal on its own. Take action, even if it's small. Those 10 minutes a day? That's not just exercise. That's you reclaiming control over your body. That's you saying, I deserve to feel good again. And if you're consistent, even just 10 minutes daily, you'll feel your energy rise, your posture improve, your confidence return. You'll move better, sleep deeper, and live stronger. Because a healthy back isn't just about standing tall. It's about living freely without pain. So, start today. Pause this video if you need to. Roll out your mat, and just begin. You don't need perfection. You just need progress. Every rep counts. Every stretch matters. Your future self will thank you. So, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because we're building a community of people who believe in healing naturally, moving intentionally, and living pain-free. Until next time, take care of your back. Because when your spine is strong, your whole life stands tall.